Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the steps of setting up the Facebook chat on a client site. So you can either go in, do it for a client, or walk them through how to get you the information you need to set it up. So to get started, we are going to be in the customizer and we're going to go ahead and click on social media and then the Facebook chat tab. So here in this panel, it's actually going to walk you through all the steps, show you everything you need to do here. So if you ever need a refresher or forget, this is always here. So the first step that you want to do is get the Facebook page ID. So you want to make sure that this is coming from a business page. That's an issue that comes up sometimes. It won't work unless it's a Facebook business page. So we're going to follow the steps here. It says to navigate to the page, click on the About tab and scroll to the bottom. You'll see a page ID. So let's come over here to this business page. We're going to click on See More and then the About. Scroll down and right there we see the page ID. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, bring it back to the customizer and throw it in there. So then the next step here is whitelisting the domains that we want the app to show up on. So it says we want to navigate to the Facebook page settings and then click on advanced messaging. So it also says here that we want to make sure we have both the non-www versions and the ones with for the domain. So that's important. We're going to need to add both of those. So let's click over to here and click on settings up at the top. And then over here onto advanced messaging. And then over here, right here under whitelisted domains, I've already added these two, but you see I have both versions here, one with the www and one without. So you're going to add both of those for your domain and hit save. And then when you come back after you've added that ID and whitelisted your domains, you can see it's already showing up, all fully functional and ready to go. There are other options over here like the color, what the greeting says. This will all default to values that are set already. So you can change them if you want to or leave them as is. You can see it's already working without those because those are optional. So that's all you need to do is get the Facebook page ID and make sure you whitelist your domains and add them in here and you're good to go. It's that easy.